Texas Social Security Disability Allowance Rates. Hi, I'm Mark Whitehead, a board-certified disability attorney and author of the disability help book, The Social Security Disability Puzzle, How to Fit the Pieces Together and Win Your Claim. Unless you've been dealing with Social Security disability as long as I have, you probably don't know much about allowance rates. These rates tell us the percentage of people who file a disability claim with the Social Security Administration and actually end up getting benefits. Every year, the government releases a report listing both the percentage of applicants who are actually accepted to the program nationally and the number of individual states and cities with hearing offices. For 2012, the overall national acceptance average was 44.7%. That's a little less than half. And that's counting both those who were accepted immediately and those people who won their claim after reconsideration or appeal. Those numbers might not seem particularly great if you're thinking about applying, but it's not all bad news. Lots of people win their Social Security disability benefits on reconsideration. Reconsideration is where you have the right to fight your disability denial and convince the Social Security Administration to change their mind. Nationally, just under 12% of recipients got their benefits from taking this route. Having to go this route isn't ideal, but it does go to show that at least the Social Security Administration at least sometimes is willing to admit when they make mistakes. Something else that's lost in those numbers is whether or not the applicants in question had legal representation. While no such statistics seem to be readily available, I can tell you from my many years of experience that your chances of success increase considerably when you hire a disability lawyer. The simple truth is that disability claims are complicated and confusing, and when people decide to go the do-it-yourself route, they often make mistakes that disqualify their claim. If this happens to you, don't compound the problem by just giving up after your denial. You can still win on reconsideration, especially in Texas. Texas allowance rates for Social Security disability beat the average. You probably wouldn't expect a state known for its very conservative views toward Social Security disability benefits at a higher percentage of applicants than the nationwide average. But that's exactly what happened in 2012. While across the country less than 45% of claimants won, that number was 47.6% in Texas. If you're disabled and living in Texas, this is very important to know because it means you shouldn't just give up on your benefits just because Social Security says no the first time around. Ensure you get the best legal team working on your case and fight to get what you know you deserve. If you have more questions, check out my free ebook, The Social Security Disability Puzzle, How to Fit the Pieces Together and Win Your Claim. Visit www.disabilitydenials.com for a free downloadable copy or call 1-800-562-9830 to discuss your particular disability issue. I'm Mark Whitehead. Thanks for watching.